Hi, good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're working on our dice exercises. We are doing only 5. I want to make sure I let you know that we will not be meeting during this week, but I will be sending you videos and make sure you are practicing those exercises because we're going to review them next week. Now, listen. Should a dog sleep in the street? No. Say the sentence. A dog should not sleep in the street. Should a dog sleep in a doghouse? Yes. Say the sentence. A dog should sleep in a doghouse. Should a little child drive a car? No. Say the sentence. A little child should not drive a car. Should children wash their hands before they eat? Yes. Say the sentence. Children should wash their hands before they eat. Should a child learn to read? Yes. Say the sentence. A child should learn to read. Should a child climb a tall, tall tree? No. Say the sentence. A child should not climb a tall, tall tree. Should a child play in the street? No. Say the sentence. A child should not play in the street. Should a child play in a park? Yes. Say the sentence. A child should play in a park. Now let's look at exercise 7. Look at the picture, boys and girls. Part of this picture shows land and water. Part of this picture shows the sky. Say kai. Kai. Say sky. Sky. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and continue. This is the blue sky. What color is this part of the sky? Get ready. Blue. Clouds are in the sky. Say the sentence. Clouds are in the sky. The sun is in the sky. Say the sentence. The sun is in the sky. Can you see a bird in the sky? No. Say the sentence. I cannot see a bird in the sky. Can you see a plane in the sky? No. Say the sentence. I cannot see a plane in the sky. Remember, the sky is over the land and water. Say the sentence about the sky. Get ready. The sky is over land and water. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and continue to the next picture. This is exercise 8. Now listen. Is every bird wet? Yes. Say the sentence. Every bird is wet. Is every bird red? Yes. Say the sentence. Every bird is red. Is every bird wet and red? Yes. Say the sentence. Every bird is wet and red. Is every bird on a branch? Yes. Say the sentence. Every bird is on a branch. Good job, boys and girls. Keep looking at the picture. Listen, all the birds are red. Say the sentence. All the birds are red. Say the sentence with every bird is red. Listen, All the birds are on a branch. Say the sentence. All the birds are on a branch. Say the sentence with every. Every bird is on a branch. Is every bird wearing a hat? No. Is this bird wearing a hat? No. Are all the birds wearing hats? No. Is every bird red? Yes. Say the sentence. Every bird is red. Let's go ahead and look at the next picture, boys and girls. Make sure we're paying close attention. I will touch these items. Name them as I touch them. Pan, glass, ball, book. How many things did I touch? Get ready. 4. Say the sentence. You touched 4 things. What object did I touch first? Get ready. The pan. Say the sentence. You touched the pan first. What object did I touch next? The glass. Say the sentence. You touched the glass next. Which object did I touch next? The ball. Say the sentence. You touched the ball next. Which object did I touch fourth? The book. Say the sentence. You touched the book fourth. Good job, boys and girls. Make sure we practice this at home. Listen carefully. I touched the glass. Did I touch the pan before I touched the glass or after I touched the glass? Think about it. Get ready. Before you touch the glass. Say the sentence about when I touched the pan. Get ready. You touched the pan before you touched the glass. Did I touch the book before or after I touched the glass? Get ready. After you touched the glass. Say the sentence about when I touched the book. Get ready. You touched the book after you touched the glass. What object did I touch fourth? Get ready. The book. Listen. The book and the glass. Which object did I touch earlier? Get ready. The glass. Yes, I touched the glass earlier. Say the sentence about which object I touched earlier. You touched the glass earlier. Which object did I touch later? Get ready. The book. Say the sentence about which object I touched later. Get ready. You touched the book later. Listen, the pan and the ball. Which object did I touch later? Get ready. The ball. Say the sentence. You touched the ball later. Which object did I touch earlier? Get ready. The pan. Say the sentence about which object I touched earlier. You touched the pan earlier. Listen, how many objects did I touch after I touched the ball? Get ready. 1. Yes, I touched one object after I touched the ball. Now let's go ahead and continue with exercise 10. Listen, things you like to do are fun. Say fun, fun. Say have fun, have fun. Say we like to have fun. We like to have fun. Say we had fun at the park. Get ready? We had fun at the park. Say we will have fun at the lake. Get ready? We will have fun at the lake. Say we had fun swimming. We had fun swimming. Remember, things you like to do are fun. Good job, boys and girls. Make sure you review these 5 exercises. Play the video more than once if you have to. And please try your best. Have a great day.